All right, let's get ready for the midterm. In this case, you can see right away that if I use a natural logarithm, I can easily get rid of this e. So I'm going to start with that. So I take the natural logarithm of both sides. So ln of e to the 1 minus 5x equals the natural logarithm of 3 square root of e. And like I say, whenever you have ln and e together, just eliminate them. And now you're left with 1 minus 5x equals. Okay, here I have a product. 3 is multiplying a square root of e. When you have a product and a logarithm of a product, you can actually expand this by taking the logarithm of each factor and then adding a plus sign. So I can do this. The natural logarithm of 3 plus the natural logarithm of square root of e. Okay, now I want to simplify the square root of e. I don't like square roots. So I know that, for example, if I grab my calculator and do square root, 2 raised to the half power, then I'll get the same result as if I do square root 2. So basically what I'm saying that you can substitute the radical, square root for with 1/2. So that means I can have this 1 minus 5x equals natural logarithm of 3 plus the natural logarithm of e raised to the 1/2. And also remember to get rid of exponents when you're working with logarithms, you can actually grab the exponent and move it in front of the logarithm. So now I have 1 minus 5x equals the natural logarithm of 3 plus 1/2 the natural logarithm of e. Remember, when you have the natural logarithm and the base e together, they immediately get married and go away on a honeymoon. So now they're gone. We only have 1/2. All right. So now I'm gonna proceed to isolate the x. So now I can subtract -1 here and -1 here, and so I have 0 here. So 5 minus 5x equals. Now I have positive 1/2 and negative 1. So now I have negative 1/2. So I have minus 1 over 2 plus the natural logarithm of 3. I just switch places. Alright, so now I have negative x, and I don't really like negative x, so I'm going to multiply the whole thing by negative 1. So now I have 5x equals 1/2 minus natural logarithm of 3. And now I'm ready for my final move, or almost my final move. I'm going to divide everything, both sides by 5. So I divide both sides by 5. And I'm going to continue right over here. So now I have x equals 1/2 minus a natural logarithm of 3 divided by 5. Well, one thing is bothering me here. I don't like to have a fraction right here, so I can simplify this. Remember, it's very important to remember that when you have like a sum or difference at the numerator, and you want to do some kinds of simplification, um, when you have a common denominator for both of these, you can, if you want to do any kinds of simplification, you have to apply the change to the three numbers. So this number, this coefficient, and the denominator. Otherwise, you're going to get the wrong answer. So here I'm trying to eliminate the fraction at the top. So what I can do is x equals 2 times 1/2. So when I multiply these two, 2 times 1 equals 2, divided by 2 equals 1. So I'm going to try to do that. So now multiply the same thing, 2 times a logarithm of 3, and I do the same thing at the bottom, 2 times 5. So notice I applied the 2 to the three coefficients. Alright, so I'm ready for my final kill. So now I have x equals 1 minus 2 ln 3 divided by 10. And that is my final answer. Thank you for watching.